You've seen them holding up your shower curtain, dutifully keeping water from flooding your bathroom floor. But did you know that these humble rings have a life beyond the shower? That's right, shower curtain rings are the multitaskers you never knew you needed. Let's dive into some creative ways to put these little wonders to work around your home. Number 1, closet organizers extraordinaire. Ever find yourself battling a closet full of scarves, belts, or ties? Shower curtain rings to the rescue. Clip them onto a hanger. Thread your accessories through the rings and voila! You've got a tidy, space-saving organizer that keeps everything in sight and within reach. Who knew staying organized could be this easy? Number 2, keyring overload solution. If your keyring looks like it's trying to compete with a janitor's set, it's time for a change. Use a shower curtain ring to separate keys into categories: home, work, gym, etc. This way you can grab just what you need without fumbling through a metal jungle every time you reach for your keys. Plus, it's easier on your pockets. Number 3, portable toolkit. Are your tools scattered all over the place? Gather all your wrenches, screwdrivers, or other tools with holes in the handle and thread them into a sturdy shower curtain ring. Hang it on a pegboard in your garage or workshop, and you've got an instant portable toolkit that's easy to carry around. Number 4, do-it-yourself jewelry organizer. Stop letting your necklaces tangle into an unholy mess in that forgotten corner of your drawer. Hang a few shower curtain rings on a rod or a hanger, and you've got a perfect spot to dangle your necklaces, bracelets, or even hoop earrings. No more untangling nightmares, just grab and go. Number 5, craft room companions. If you're a crafter, you know the struggle of keeping your supplies organized. Shower curtain rings are perfect for corralling ribbons, threads, or even rolls of tape. Just clip them onto a rod or a hanger, and you've got an easily accessible and organized supply station. Crafting just got a whole lot easier. Number 6, traveling laundry helper. When on the road, keeping dirty clothes separate from the clean ones can be a hassle. Pack a few shower curtain rings and use them to clip hangers together in your hotel closet. This way, you can create a makeshift laundry section without mixing things up. Simple, effective, and it keeps your suitcase fresh for the journey home. Number 7, outdoor gear organizer. For the adventurers among us, shower curtain rings can keep your outdoor gear in check. Clip your camping utensils, ropes, or small tools onto a ring and attach it to your backpack. It keeps everything together, easy to access, and saves precious space for those extra marshmallows. Final thoughts. Shower curtain rings might not be the first thing you think of when it comes to home hacks, but once you start using them in these creative ways, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. So before you toss out that old set of rings, consider giving them a new purpose. After all, every little tool has its place in making life a bit easier. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.